Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Y'all, please tell me y'all ready for this. We're making some good old tasting warm lobster rolls. Let's go. I want y'all to go ahead and get yourself a nice sized bowl. We're gonna make us some spicy Sriracha mayo. So I got some of this here Duke's Mayo. All right, I'm gonna add this to the bowl. You can use whatever type of mayo you like, okay? It don't matter what kind of mayo you use as long as you're using mayo. Then we're gonna toss in some of this here Sriracha sauce. This is actually gonna bring us that nice taste that we want, that spiciness, a little bit of that tanginess in the back of your throat, along with that red wine vinegar. Hey, use your own judgments when it comes to measuring your ingredients. You can't go wrong. I want you to also use some honey, all right? Get you some good honey to go ahead and add to this. And then I want you to also toss in, listen y'all, some of this here Texas Cajun seasoning. This is that Uncle Steve Shakes. If you haven't tried it, I'm gonna leave a link below where you can go ahead and get you some. You got to try it, y'all. All right, now I want you to add in just a little salt. And this is about all we're gonna need. And we're gonna give this baby a nice mix up right now. And I want you to take a look at this. Now what I got here, I got me some lobsters that I took out my deep freeze. I need to go ahead and use these babies up. So if you can see the middle fin that's on that lobster tail, what I want to do is I want to remove this middle fin from the lobster tail, because this is I'm gonna show you guys how you can really get a good presentation off of these here lobsters if you're trying to razzle dazzle the family or the friends or whatever the case may be. This will work perfectly during the grilling season, or if you want to just try to cook it inside of the oven, it'll definitely work. Telling you, this will be a good presentation for you to present to your friends and just glorify and beautify your lobsters. Now, all you have to do is just cut down the middle once you remove that middle fin and just open these babies up. If you got a vein in the middle, just remove the vein. Trust and believe me, you can't go wrong. Look at the presentation of this here thing. All you have to do is just fan them out and just let it go and let that lobster sit on top. You can season it up, butter it up, oil it up, do whatever you want, and it's gonna be beautiful. Trust and believe me, okay? All you have to do is remove that middle fin. As you can see, now watch how I close it easily just by using the fins alone. You see that right there? Beautiful presentation. That's all you have to do is remove the middle fin and just spread it open, and you can cook this in the shell just like it is. Just butter it up, season it up, put all your oils, put it on the grill like it is, and just go ahead and throw it in the oven, broil it, or whatever the case may be. You would have an awesome, good looking lobster tail. And now with this other lobster tail, I'm gonna show you another thing that you can do. If you wanna lay it down flat, just go ahead and take you a knife and cut the center of it and just lay it on down. I got these from Sam's Club, so the vein was already removed. All you have to do is just basically just pull that middle fin and let it go. Now look at this here. I'm gonna do me some fried lobster tails one day, y'all. And by taking out this whole piece of meat, you're gonna have something good and delicious. Now look how you can present this too by using that shell. And all you have to do is cut your meat up, flavor it up, put it back into the shell, and serve it to your friends. Good gracious, y'all. Now what I want to do for these here warm lobster rolls, I want to go ahead and just take the pieces of lobster and cut them into bits and pieces. So just check me out, and whatever you do, don't go nowhere. If you do, you're gonna miss something good. Now I got me a cast iron skillet on top of the stove. All right, now I'm taking at least around about a good 2 tablespoons of butter if possible, because I want to take me some rolls. This is these hot dog split rolls, and I just want to toast these up on the side. So I'm melting some of this here butter, and I want to take these rolls and just toast them up on the side. Now I'm also going to toss in some seasoning into this here pan, because I want these to have flavor as well. So everything is gonna be seasoned to perfection along with the buns. So I'm using some of this McCormick vegetable seasoning, and I just want to go and sprinkle some of that inside of that butter. Once I've done that, I wanna take my rolls, just submerge it on both sides of each bun, get all the flavors on the bun, and toast these babies up. That's all I wanna do. Stick around, y'all, and don't y'all go nowhere, because if you do, you're gonna miss an awesome, awesome warm lobster roll recipe. Now in that same skillet, I got me some of my homemade herb butter. Now you can just make herb butter up the way that you like it. My herb butter does have some garlic chopped in these here particular recipes. So all you have to do is just add you some garlic to your butter, and then you want to add your lobster bits and pieces of lobster into this here butter, and then go ahead and just cook it for a little bit until you get you a nice tender lobster piece. Whatever you do, don't overcook it, because if you do, it's going to become rubbery. That's one thing that we don't want to do, is overcook our lobster. So let's go ahead and cook these babies up so we can add it to our rolls. Now I want you to go ahead and take that spicy Sriracha mayo and just put it right in the middle of these here toasted up buttery hot dog split buns. And once you've done that, load these babies up with some good old tasting lobster. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna want to eat these lobster bits as they are in the pan without the bread. It's just that good, y'all. Now, go ahead and just continue to watch this here, y'all, to the end, and do me a favor. If you are not a subscriber of Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate you guys. Now I want you to go ahead and take some of that spicy Sriracha mayo and just drizzle this baby up with some of that mayo, and then add you some fresh parsley to this. And once you've done that, man, chow down like you ain't never chowed down before. You understand what I'm saying? If you try this here recipe, go ahead and comment in the comment section and let me know that you tried the recipe. And also, you got to try more and more of my other recipes that's on Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I'm telling you right now, all these recipes that I try to produce for you guys, man, I'm telling you, I'm not a chef by far, but I'm a good home cook. I guarantee you your family is gonna love it. Look at these here lobster rolls. Tell me something right now. Your tongue will love you. Come on and join Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.